In construction, when installation labor costs take 3 times the cost of materials, speed becomes critical. And yet, performance can't be sacrificed. Millennium Slate and the VELCRO companies has reimagined how premium finished materials are installed. Powered by VELCRO brand fasteners, these materials form the groundbreaking Centennial System, with installation speeds up to 5 times faster. Costs are cut in half, delivering unmatched reliability in even the most extreme conditions. VELCRO brand hook and loop was designed to deliver a smarter, faster solution. The loop is factory applied to the back of the desired premium material. Hook is then laminated to a backer and mechanically fastened using adhesive and screws. The Centennial System, fast, reliable, and revolutionary.